Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Sign in as an administrator and verify a fresh backup exists. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once done, open System Settings and go straight to Privacy and Security or the Security pane, where disk encryption and recovery key controls live. You'll authenticate with your password or device passcode to reveal controls. This unlocks the options you're about to change. Make sure you understand why you're disabling the key, usually to simplify access or remove cloud storage. Now you'll navigate the middle steps. Locate the File Vault or Encryption subsection that lists the recovery key and its storage location. You will choose Manage or Disable Recovery Key and then authenticate again. This step ensures only an authorized admin can change the backup key. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to remove the key from cloud storage or clear the locally saved key, and wait while the system updates settings. Do not interrupt power or sign-outs during this process. Finish by validating the change. Reboot the device and return to the encryption settings to confirm the recovery key is no longer listed. You should test sign-in and any encryption-dependent features to ensure normal operation. This confirms you didn't accidentally lock yourself out. If something goes wrong, immediately stop, restore from your backup, and re-enable the recovery key or contact support. This troubleshooting tip prevents permanent data loss and quickly restores secure access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.